Use definition of primary trigonometric ratios in terms of x, y and r to prove sine of minus x times cos of minus x is minus sin x cos x. So let's try to sketch first, right? So we have minus x, that means we are coming in quadrant 4, and plus x will be in quadrant 1, right? So let's make a triangle. Let's say that's my triangle, that is xy position, and that is my triangle. And let me reflect this here so that we have a similar triangle here, which is kind of like this, correct? So in that case, this point is x and y, and this point will be x and minus y, so because it is reflected, and that is r for us. Is it okay? Now the angle here is x, so I'll make that x as alpha for the time being. Reason being that I don't want two x's in my statement, right? So I'm using this as alpha, right? And this will be my minus alpha. I'm just putting alpha. Obviously, when we go counterclockwise from our x-axis, then it is negative, right? So when we are saying sine of minus alpha, we are really interested in this particular quadrant, right? So that is the quadrant which we are interested in. This is minus alpha, right? You know, counterclockwise is positive and clockwise is negative. That's why. So let's write down sine of minus alpha in terms of x and y. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite side is minus y for us. From here to here it is minus y. So this side is minus y, that side is plus y. So sine of minus alpha can be written as minus y over r, correct? Times cos of minus alpha can be written as, this side is x, right? It is x for both, right? So it is x over r. Now, what is this equal to? This could be written as, so let's consider the left side first. Minus of x times y, or you can write y times x. How does it? Minus of yx over r square, okay? Let's say r times r. Let me write like this. So y over r is how much? Now, we could go backwards or we could start from here also. So y over r, let's keep minus separate, y over r. So y over r is sine alpha, right? So we can write this as minus, I'm keeping here, y over r is sine alpha, and x over r is cos alpha. So I get minus of sine alpha cos alpha, which is the right side. Do you understand? So that is how we could do it, right? So you could even start from the right hand side and prove the same. For example, if you start with the right side, you could do minus sine alpha is what? Y over r times cos alpha is x over r. Now, if you consider minus y over r, what is minus y over r? Minus y over r is sine of minus alpha. Do you see that? Right? So you could come to the same thing. So that is how we can prove that sine of minus alpha times cos of minus alpha is minus sine alpha cos alpha. Let me break this like this. So we'll write minus, and then we'll write y over r as one component and x over r as the other. And y over r is sine alpha, x over r is cos alpha, looking into this triangle, okay? That is absolutely clear. So it is minus of sine alpha cos alpha.